See that? That's the new Thermochromic ink from xTool. This over here changes from purple to pink, blue to lemon, red to yellow, and green to lime. We're going to use the 9x12 screen with the 9x12 frame. This frame will fit the M1 Ultra and the M1. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Now we're going to tackle the software end of this project. And basically this project is going to be a combination of screen printing, laser engraving, and cutting with the M1 Ultra 20 watt. First going to start off with an image, and this image is going to be vectorized so it can be taken apart, pull the pieces off. So what we're going to do right away is going to copy and then paste to make two copies of it. Basically, I'm just going to put that to the side, and on this one here I'm going to run the subtract at overlap, and when that's finished then we can set that to engrave. So it'll engrave all the lines all dark, and then I'm going to put an outline on this. I'm going to go probably 0.119 and confirm. This outline is going to be set to cut. I'm going to set the settings over here, and over here I'm going to run this as an engrave. I'm going to run this high and fast to 60 lines per centimeter. Will be working. So this copy here I'm going to copy again. I'm going to bring up a second canvas because this part of the image is going to be used with the screen printing. So again, we're going to ungroup, and we're going to select just the pieces that we're going to engrave with the screen printing screen. I'm going to group those. I'm going to move them over here, and I'm just going to get rid of all this. We don't need none of that. So this here is going to be set up on the we don't need this piece either. This canvas will be set to screen printing, and one of the things we got to do, doesn't really matter where you screen print it, because they're going to be, the colors that each of these pieces will be individual anyway. Excuse me. So what we're going to do is copy them all, or highlight them all and reverse them. We're going to go reflect horizontally. This will be the way that it'll be engraved on the screen. You have to reverse it. So we're going to go up here and change this to screen preparation. This is going to fit into this little square, and then we're going to get back to the machine. Now the M1 Ultra 20 watt is going to simply engrave the rainbow and cut the outline out. This portion is sped up. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Here the M1 Ultra 20 watt is engraving each section individually, which then can be applied to the project with the different colors until you have the full rainbow printed. Well, there you have it. We used a new 9x12 screen printing frame with the screens designed to fit the M1 and the M1 Ultra. We also used the new Thermochromic inks from xTool. As you see, these can add all kinds of different flavors to projects that you may do. Good luck and enjoy.